Skoda Scala is a hatchback in the front-wheel drive C-Class category. The car made its debut worldwide in Tel Aviv in December 2018. Scala was intended to replace the old Rapid Spaceback, but the Czech designers seemed to disregard any limitations, as they expanded the dimensions beyond those of the B-Class. They even managed to surpass the current Golf in size. In terms of length, 4,362 mm/4,258 mm, and width, 1,793 mm/1,790 mm, Scala exceeds Volkswagen, and the distance between axles is much greater too, 2,649 mm/2,620 mm, than the German counterpart. The trunk space tells a similar story. Skoda offers 467 liters, whereas Volkswagen provides only 380 liters. To maintain some hierarchy, though, the Czech hatch was built on the more simplified MQB A0 platform, similar to the new VW Polo. Externally, the car closely resembles the previously showcased Vision RS concept, with even one of the 18-inch wheel designs bearing a striking resemblance to the concept version. The overall image, though still easily recognizable, now boasts a slightly more aggressive look, thanks to different bumpers and new triangular front optics with blurred taillights. Inside, Skoda has adopted a new style. However, as with the exterior, once you step into the cabin, you will immediately recognize it as a Skoda. Everything is well made, convenient, and functional. Alongside a redesigned front panel featuring a new multimedia system with screen options of 6.5, 8, or 9.2 inches, the hatchback also offers new comfortable seats. Of course, Skoda's simply clever touches can be found throughout the car, with numerous niches and pockets, and even a designated compartment for an umbrella in the doors. The Scala's equipment level has also been upgraded. The hatchback boasts a virtual dashboard, dual-zone climate control, for USB-C connectors, a servo-driven fifth door, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and automatic valet. Additionally, customizable shock absorbers will be available as an option. However, since this is a budget-friendly class, there are only two modes, soft and hard. Regarding the powertrains, there are currently three options available: two gasoline engines, 1.0 TSI, EA211, with 115 horsepower and 200 Nm, and 1.5 TSI, EA211, with 150 horsepower and 250 Nm, as well as one diesel engine, 1.6 TDI, EA288, with 115 horsepower and 250 Nm. These versions can be paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Later on, the lineup will be expanded with a 1.0-liter engine producing 95 horsepower and a gas version with the 1.0 GTES motor offering an output of 90 horsepower.